Advanced County Locksmiths has been in business since 1993 and started out as a mobile service and has now expanded to 5 service vans and a storefront location located in Union, New Jersey. Our locksmiths have over 130 years of combined locksmith experience and are trained on the latest locksmith technology. We can do a simple residential rekey job or an elaborate master key system for a commercial business. We also do safes, which include combination changes, opening and repairs, as well as new safes sold for businesses and homes. We provide complete locksmith services to residential, commercial, institutional, and automotive markets. Our mission is to satisfy all our customers' security needs in a prompt and cost-effective manner.